Hi, what you're seeing on my screen right now is the Google map showing my current location. Now think of an instance where I would want to share my current location to any of my friends who would want to visit my current location. So Google Maps provides a feature wherein I would be able to share my current location to any of my friends whom I would intend to share my current location. In this video, I will show you how to share your current location to any of your friends via different mediums. So let's get started. Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Firstly, before sharing your location, ensure that your location is turned on. So once your location is turned on, open your Google Maps application on your phone, and on your Google Maps homepage where your location would be displaying, click on the icon that you see at the top right hand here with your name. Once you click on that, you will see an option here, the fourth option, which says location sharing. Click on that. Once you click on that location sharing, now here you will see a button called as share location. Click on that. Once you click on share location, on the map you are able to see my name and the cross with my battery symbol also that it is displaying, and it is asking how much duration do you want to share your location, whether it is for 1 hour, or if you want to increase it, you can just keep on increasing until the maximum hours, or else if you want to share it only for 1 hour, you could select it for 1 hour, or else another option is until you would want to turn this off. If you want to keep that location sharing, you can select the second option. At the moment, I will select the location sharing for 1 hour, and here you are seeing two options. One is the contact list that it is showing whom do you want to share to, and the other mediums, one is via WhatsApp, one is with the text messages, one is with the Gmail and other email mediums. So at the moment I will select WhatsApp as the medium to share my location. So I will just click on the share button here. So once I click on the share button, so now it opens up my WhatsApp, which is showing the list of contacts whom do I want to share my location. I will select one of the contacts here where I want to intend to share my current location, and then click on send. So this is how it looks like when I click on send location. That's how my current location is shared to the contact person via WhatsApp. So now when I come back to my maps, so it would be displaying that I am sharing my current location for an hour, and another 59 minutes is pending for the location to be shared. I hope this video would be helpful to you when you want to share your location via Google Maps via different mediums. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.